Okay, tubers, I'm doing a quick review here on Fabric Fuse. It's a quick bond fabric adhesive, and I don't have a sewing machine and I don't like holes in my jeans. So this Fabric Fuse is a quick bond liquid adhesive that dries clear and remains flexible. So let's get started here. What I'm going to do is first put a piece of cardboard under my jeans here. I already made one patch a couple of weeks ago, and it held even through a wash. If you have fabric scissors that cut in notches, then it'll stop a little bit of the frilling here that I got. But anyways, keep your old jeans, cut the pockets out or whatever good material that's left, and you can use them for patches rather than buying them. So I've got a patch already here from an old pair of jeans. So I cut the pocket off, and this side here is the same side as the inside here. So first turn your jeans inside out, put a piece of cardboard under there, and you're away to go. So what I'm going to do here is put dots in here every 1/16 of an inch. Yeah, it might be tedious, but you got to do it. So get your patch and face the lines in the right direction. So after you've pressed down your patch, I like getting a book or a piece of wood, putting it on top, and putting a weight on top so it doesn't come loose. So let that dry for, it says 4 to 6 hours, and it's washable after 48 hours. Hope this helps. Thanks.